everyone, and welcome to Sweet Bay Lane. My name is Tracy, and today I'm going to be taking you on a little beach walk, searching for sea treasures, and also getting in a little bit of fishing with my trusty custom pink fishing rod. So let's get the day started. And look what I found. Loggerhead turtle came up the beach last night and laid her eggs right up there on that hill. Amazing. Nature is amazing. Now, here's how far her journey was. Now, mind you, she weighs a lot, and she had to get all the way up that beach. There's another turtle nest right beside the one that we saw earlier. And they stake them up so people will know that there's turtle eggs here so they do not disturb them. I believe it might be, I know it's a state offense, but it might be even a federal offense to do anything with the turtle eggs or disturb their nests. Anyway, look at, she came all the way up that hill. Wow. slide it up, and now you're going to have two bobby pins that look like this. And your next step will be to take your seashells. As you'll see, the back sides are kind of a hollow side, and I just take a little bit of glue, hot glue. You put it right on the pad, right on that little white felt pad, and you just stick it right to the back of the seashell. And you just hold it there until it cools and dries. And then you'll just set that one aside and you'll do your second one. And again, you just put the hot glue right on that pad of felt, and you'll take your seashell backside and you'll push it right down into the back of that little concave area of your seashell. And you'll just push it down in there and let that dry. And once they dry and are cool, they're ready to wear. You also can use E6000 if you're going to be wearing these in the water or maybe something of that sort. But here's what you're going to have. This will be your finished product. You can also spray these with a little bit of clear acrylic spray, and it kind of makes them look wet like they just came from the ocean. I think these just turned out so adorable, and what a great way to use your sea treasures. Well, that wraps it up for today's walk on the beach and our simple sea treasures turned into useful hair accessories. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, feel free to share with your family and friends. Also, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. That does help my channel grow. And I look forward to seeing you on future adventures here at Sweet Bay Lane.